Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this particular welcome was a bit late. I was not shooting for quite a long time, but there was a story behind that. So in some other day, if you are interested, I can share that story with you guys. But from now onwards, you will see me shooting every week, and you will find my videos every week. So don't worry about that. So unlock has started, so I don't go to office every day, but I do have to go to client visit, and this is the makeup that I do while I go for work or for a client visit. So this is a very simple makeup look, which justifies your everyday work or everyday life. So, and it just takes hardly 10 to 12 minutes to complete. At least I take 10 to 12 minutes to complete or to create this whole makeup. So without wasting any further time and to watch how I have created this particular look, stay tuned with me. I'll start with moisturizing my face, and for moisturizer I'm using the Urban Botanics Neem and Basil Mattifying Moisturizer. So I'll take 2 pumps of it and then I'll warm it up between my hands, and then I'll apply it. So I don't forget using my sunscreen. It's very important. So I'm using over here the Mama Earth Ultra Light Indian sunscreen. This is with carrot seed and turmeric, and this is in the shade. Sorry, this is in the SPF 50. So I'll apply it all over my face. Don't skip your sunscreen, guys. It's really very important for your skin, because it protects your skin from aging, from UV rays. Next, quickly I'll jump onto primer, and for primer I am here using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Basically, I'll use this over the areas wherever I have pores. So I don't use any foundation for this look, but I directly go with a concealer. And for concealer, I'm using my all-time favorite, the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. And this is in the shade Medium Beige. So what I'll do, I'll take a nice amount at the back of my hand. So I'll dab some product on the brush, and then I'll dab off the excess at the back of my hand, and I'll dab the product directly wherever I need the coverage, like under my eyes. Also, I'll take the product over my eyelid to cancel out any of the darkness. Believe me guys, it just takes 10 to 12 minutes for me to do this makeup, and as I'm talking and doing this makeup, that's why it's taking time. But it literally takes me 10 to 12 minutes to complete the whole makeup. So whenever I need some coverage, like on my nose, I'll apply this over there. I'll not apply any kind of foundation all over my face, just the areas where I need to hide and conceal my spots. So I'll apply it over there. So my concealing is done, and you can see still so much of product is left. So I'll not waste it, I'll just put it inside, because this is only I who use it, so I don't want my makeup to get waste. खून पसीने की कमाई है भाई, वेस्ट क्यों करना? I'll use it in my next tutorial or when I'll go next. So now when my spot concealing is done, I'll move on to setting it, and I'll use my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC40 to set my face and to give that extra or mild coverage to my face wherever like I've not used the concealer. This will give that extra coverage. So I'll use a brush, dab it, and I'll just set all over the face. Guys, if you want, you can go with a foundation if you have time, but I don't like because I'm always in a hurry whenever I go for a client meeting, so I prefer this way. And if you can use a powder foundation despite of using a compact, you can do this. Though MAC Studio Fix does the work for me, it's a kind of it does the work of a powder foundation. Mostly I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation, but I am out of it. I have hit it my pan, so now I use the Studio Fix. So my base is done. I'll quickly go on to a bronzer, and for bronzer I'm using this particular bronzer, which is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. So I'll take some on the brush, and it's very pigmented, so I'll dab the excess on my back of my hand. So I'll bronze very lightly. And then I'll just bronze my forehead, my jawline, and with a small brush like this, I'll just lightly, lightly, whatever it is, I'll contour my nose. And this is the jugaad that I do every morning. I'll take the same bronzer with the same brush with which I have contoured my nose. I'll take some product and I'll dab the excess, and I'll just slightly contour my crease of my eyes. This gives me that dimension to my eyes, and my eyes doesn't look pale like this one is looking. You don't have time in the morning or whenever you are in a hurry, or for a everyday makeup you don't apply eyeshadow. So this is what trick that I use. And I like to flick it out like this, so that it gives me that nice wing effect. So now I'll complete my face with a blush, and I use a cream blush for my everyday look because it looks much more natural. So for my cream blush, here I am using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Mousse blush. So I'll use the same trick. What I'll do, I'll take a very little, this much, just this much, and then with a blush brush like this, I'll just dab some product in it and dab the excess because I want a very natural finish. For my brows, I'm using the Palladio Brow Styler Tinted Gel, and this is in the shade Light Medium. So I'll complete by lining my eyes, and for this I'm using the Nykaa Get Inked liner. This happens with me always. My one eye looks better than the other after I apply a liner. Just comment down below if it happens with you also. I just don't know, just look at this and this. So I need to fix this up. So I'll complete the look by applying a mascara, and for that I'm using the Rimmel London Glam Eyes Day to Night Mascara. So when I'm in a hurry, I go for this particular mascara because it has two particular band. One is the length and the other one is the volume. So it quickly lifts my eyes and gives the exact kind of volume that I'm looking for without any extra effort. So I have applied a single coat with the length side. Now I'll apply with the volume side of the wand. Next, I'll line my lips with this particular lip liner. This is from Nykaa, Lips Don't Lie, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. So I'll top it up with this particular lipstick, and this is from Faces Canada. This is the Glam On Moisture Rich, and this is in the shade So Lovely. So I'll just dab it, I'll not rub it, I'll just dab it so that it picks up a very little color. वैसे भी यार किसको फर्क पड़ता है, मास्क के नीचे तो छुपा ही हुआ रहना है फेस. When you guys, I feel like nowadays applying a lip color is, I don't know, मास्क पहनने के बाद तो वो ढक ही जाता है, right? बट फिर भी यार क्या करें, आदत से मजबूर. And to set everything in place, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. So yes guys, this is the final look. So I prefer while I go for a meeting nowadays to do a ponytail rather than opening my hair, because then I need to come and wash my hair every single day because of coronavirus. So I'll tie my hair and just wash it with simple water. This is my go-to everyday makeup look that I follow. Maybe I change the lip color as per my mood or my clothes, but this is what I do every single day while I go for a client meeting or my office. I do this. This is what I create. And maybe some days as per my mood or occasion, maybe I change a bit here and there, but this is it. This is what I do every day, and you can trust me on this because apart from being a YouTuber, I am a full-time corporate job girl. So you can trust me on this, that I create this particular look every single day. So this is what I had today. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that bell button right there, so that whenever I upload any video you get the notification. So do comment down below what you think about this video or me and my past videos, and tell me, guide me how I can improve. That means a lot for me. That encourages me to move ahead with this particular platform of YouTube. Also, guys, do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handles are right there at the description box. Do check them. So be safe, stay safe, enjoy your life, enjoy the time, and wash your hand frequently.